Hey, welcome to your first step to success as an insurance agency, coach or affiliate marketer. My name is Thorsten Schad, and all the solutions regarding successful lead generation, success in sales or automation to scale your success you will find on this page are not only proven and tested by me, but they are also the basis for my success. And some of the systems are a direct result of my experiences, well, good and bad, over the last 25 years in our business. And you get solutions for these three crucial topics, lead generation, sales and automation, in exactly that way you want to have it, either as a do-it-yourself solution. Just take a look at the case study here on the upper left side. Or for example, you might check out some of the really amazing articles we provided you on our blog on the upper right side. Or second, you can get a solution done with you. That's when you want to learn things on your own, but at the same time, you need someone to give you guidance or support and help when you need it. Start with entering our Facebook group just here on the left side. Or you want to have an easy start and an easy life managing your social media accounts and your online business as whole with a state-of-the-art system and tons of useful tutorials. Then just push the button below this video. And not to forget, we have, let's say, the ultimate system, the complete package done for you. That's when you want to have a proven and tested system generating a constant stream of new clients for your business. And when you want to have it done for you, just one click away, register for our unique webinar on our lead generation tool, Domination 24/7. See you on the other side.